Well, hi everybody. This is Kentaro Sato's SATOKEN'S Doom 2010-2011 score Rookies and Traded box break open. And additionally 2009-2010 Upper Deck Series 2 box open recap. Wow. Hi, Ovechkin. Okay, thanks so much for watching this video again. So I would like to open the new brand new product. It's very interesting. I believe the score we can trade it 105 entry trading cards inside. And we will get one autograph, one rookie autograph per box. Just $20, just $20. It's very reasonable. Okay, before doing this box opening, I would like to introduce what I've got from this Upper Deck Series 2 series. Series 2 Ice Hockey Series. You know, it's very basic product for our company Upper Deck. So I would like to do some recap here. First three, we got two Mapleleafs card, two jersey card. The first one was Phil Kessel, Toronto Mapleleafs. Phil Kessel. Traded from Boston to Mapleleafs. The normal jersey card. You remember he was the last person to be drafted at the last season's All-Star game. Held in Carolina. Phil Kessel. And we got one more jersey card. Number 77, Victor Hedman, Tampa Bay Lightnings. Victor Hedman jersey card. And of course we got six young guns. It was very good. The first one was James Limer, Toronto Maple Leafs, young guns. James Limer, goaltender, James Limer. And another Toronto Maple Leafs goaltender, Jonas Gustafsson, the monster. Jonas Gustafsson, young guns. The third one was Jacob Kendall, Detroit Red Wings, don't know him well. And the fourth one was Edmonton Oilers, Steven Dubnyk, goaltender. And the fifth one is Ryan Keller, Old Tower Centers, young gun. And the last one was Montreal Canadiens, Matthew Carl. So maybe this and the first one and the second one, these two goaltenders of Maple Leafs, young guns. These cards are very good, I believe, especially the James Limer. Oh, I checked the back in the magazine last time, and I saw this was $50 value, and this one also good ones are $25, so $75. It's very high value, so it was very good. And we got some other inserts like Draft Day Gems, Patrick Roy, Matt Duchene Big Trade Rookie card, John Tablas Big Trade Rookie card, and UD Exclusives Mika Kapros numbered to 100, and Rookie debut John Tablas again, and Rookie Breakouts Jonas Ensroth, Buffalo Sabres. That was the recap of Upper Deck Series 2 Alexander Ovechkin's box. Look at this space card. Evgeny Malkin's laughing. I'm full of fun. Okay, so we would like to do the box open of this score Rookies and Traded. 何が出るんでしょうかね。まあここでようやくちょっと日本語なんですけれども、これはねワンルーキーカードが入ってるらしいですよ。多分ねすごいいっぱいベースカードが出てで多分ワンオートがポコッと一番最後なんかに出てるんですね。パニーゴールテンダーシリーズ多分一緒かもしれないね。ちょっとこのインサート系はちょっとこっちにね邪魔だから。So let's open one rookie autograph. See what will happen. うわーどっちこうなってんの Wow. Fully inside. There's a rookie card. There's a rookie auto. Here? Or here? This side? Maybe this side. So こっちかな Oh, maybe this side. I'm sorry. Maybe this side. So I open like this. Oh, こっちだこっち。That was old. ああ。これは難しいのもいきなりやっちゃった方がいいよね。So I got the auto was Corey Emerton. Who are you? 誰だよお前知らねえ。Corey Emerton. Is this guy famous? Never heard it before. Corey Emerton Rookie autograph card Detroit Red Wings. Corey Emerton. わからん。これね、でもあれだな。でもなんかこっちの方がね、ビクトリーのマイケル・グラビナーの方が全然いいような気がするけどね。まあ、こんなん出ましたと。あとは、なんかいろいろとパラレルとかね、あるんで、テイラー・ホールとかね、一番最後に出たね、テイラー・ホール。So we got a lot of power here. Jordan Karen, Boston Bruins. Eric Johnson, Avalanche. Jacob Josephson, New Jersey Devils. Ryan McDonald, your Rangers. Almonto, is he? お前ルーキーか。あ、Rookies&Traded だからあれだね。Almonto や。Then all of the other cards are maybe the base card. So many. And of course, beautiful Taylor Hall base card. Okay! Well, thanks so much for watching again. We got Corey Emerton. I'm really sorry, but I don't know him well. よくわからないけど、まあこの人の音が出ました。Okay, thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye, everybody. Thumbs up. Bye.